What's up, guys? My name is Darrell. I got a dope video for you today. It's 3 tips on how you can raise your value as a graphic designer. Stay tuned and check it out. Tip number 1, education. Look, you got to educate yourself on your craft, educate yourself on people who are living the life that you want to live, and people who have done what you want to do. Back in my earlier days, I had a clothing brand called Real One Apparel, and then we rebranded it to OGS 86. But in the early days, I didn't have any branding really. All I had was a logo. I didn't know anything about marketing that much. I didn't know how to build a website except on Store Envy. And I damn sure didn't know how to do digital marketing, like Facebook, Google ads, LinkedIn, Reddit, all that stuff. I didn't know how to do none of those ads. So what I did was, in the year of 2016, I locked everything down. I shut down the brand, shut down everything. We started in 2014, and I ran it all the way up to 2016, but I shut it down. And I started to invest in my education, man. I started to check out digital marketing courses. And I learned about finding out who my core audience is, and understanding how to talk to them, understanding how to speak to them, what they like, what time they get online, all that stuff, man. It was a deep learning process, and it's one I'm truly grateful for, because those lessons I learned back then are still paying off today. The lessons that I learned from those digital marketing courses ended up getting me a higher position at a job that I probably never would have gotten if I didn't have it. And that job is still one of my clients today as I freelance full time. So guys, invest in your education. It's truly, truly important. Number 2, guys, master your craft. Take the time to not only educate yourself, but master what you're doing. Whether it be logos, branding, websites, graphic design, whatever it is, make sure that you take the time to master it, because 1, you'll have more confidence. You'll be able to raise your prices. And 3, you'll be able to add more value to your clients. That's how you get paid more. When I first started graphic design, I was charging $35 for mixtape covers. I would work a 12-hour shift at a t-shirt design company where I was the graphic designer, and I would come home and I would charge $35 for 6 hours of work. I would work from 4 hours to 6 hours every night after work on these mixtape covers, and I would rush over to Western Union the next day when they would pay me. They were paying me through Western Union. Crazy how time flies. This is around 2012, but back then I would see other graphic designers and they were charging like $500, and I was like, there is no way I'm ever in my life ever gonna be able to charge $500 for anything that I do. That was just the lack of confidence I had in myself and a lack of mastery, guys. So wherever you're at in your journey right now, whether it's $5 on Fiverr or $50,000, you got to take the steps to get there. So 1, I'm proud of you for even starting. 2, keep going. 3, master your craft, guys. I promise it'll pay off. Number 3, present yourself with pride. Take pride in what you do, guys. People aren't going to take you serious if you don't take yourself serious. So if you say, I charge $200 for a logo, $500 for a logo, and they say, I'll pay you $30, and you just rush to do it, you're not respecting yourself. You're respecting your pride or your time, and they won't either. And you're going to keep attracting clients like that. Guys, when you take yourself serious and when you present yourself in a serious manner, not just like stern, like you can't have fun, but no, like, hey, this is who I am, this is what I do, this is what I stand for, people will, not only will you attract the right people, they'll have to respect you, and they'll start putting other people onto your business. When I first started my clothing brand back in 2014, I had people commenting just random stuff on my Facebook page. Friends that I've known forever. They making jokes about the brand. They doing all this weird stuff, and I'm working on this brand 24 hours a day. So they don't know how serious I'm taking it, right? But yet they would still go in there and make jokes, not share posts, which I don't care about that, but just all around sneak this and sneak hating on there. And I started blocking people. I started blocking them, and I would let them know, look, I'm taking this shit serious. This is my life. This is my dream. So if you can't respect that, you out my life completely. Fast forward 7 years later, not only are these people big supporters of the brand, but they also put other people on it because I forced them to respect it. You'll respect what I'm doing or you won't be around it in general, period. So guys, present yourself with pride, present your product with pride, and take yourself serious, guys. You deserve whatever you're aiming for in this life. You deserve it. So believe in that part of it. If you don't get nothing else from this video, believe in that. You deserve it. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for checking out the video. If you liked it, comment, share, subscribe. Share it with a family member, friend, business owner, entrepreneur, whoever you think can use value or get some value from this video. Y'all have a great day. More videos coming soon. Peace.